Today we are going to make cranberry and then fruit relish. This is my husband Keith's grandma's recipe, and then everybody loves it because everybody asks for the recipe whenever we make it, so we decided to put it on the video. So I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Mari, author of international best-selling cookbook, Kitchen Wizard Flexipes.
So what you need is 2 apples, 2 oranges, and 2 pears. We use it up. And half a box of, this is a big box, half a box of jello, and then if you have a small box, it should be entire box of jello, and a bag of cranberries. Now first you want to dissolve half box of jello with a cup of hot water, and then here it's dissolved. Keep this on the side. 2 apples and then 2 pears. You want to cut it in bite-sized pieces like this. And then also oranges you peel, and either peel it classic way with your fingers, or you can peel it with a knife like this. Cut it in bite-sized pieces so that the food processor wouldn't have to work as hard. And dump all the fruits into the food processor, and then entire bag of cranberries. And you probably need to do it in 2 batches so that it wouldn't get too full. And you need to pulse it to about 1/4 of an inch size pieces. Now it gets stuck on the top, so open and then push it down the fruits so that it would chop evenly. It's about a right size. Look, about this size should be good. And then put all the fruits into the jello. And then this is the rest of the apple and orange and then pears that I chopped up. Put them into the jello, mix it well. Put it in the fridge and chill it until it sets. So that's pretty much it. I hope you make it, and let me know how you liked it. Okay, it's done. It's a little bit looser than regular jello, but this is how it's supposed to be, and let's taste it. And here's some whipped cream, and we like to have some with the whipped cream, so let's put some on. This is uncooked, so it's really fresh. This is gonna be great with the toki. If there's any leftover, then you can eat it as a dessert. This is fresh, very healthy. Kids and then adults, everybody loves it. So I hope you will make it for this Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching again. See you next time. Bye-bye.